Hello everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA Automation classes. So, in the last class, we have seen how to do the rebasing, right? And in today's session, we are going to look into the stash. What exactly is the stash and how can we stash and unstash? So, stash is like when a particular user is working on something and wants to move to the another branch. Okay, let's say I'm in working in my feature one branch and there has been some high priority fix I need to do. So I'll move to the some other branch and then I will do my work and I'll come back to my original branch. But before doing that, I have to do all the changes I am currently working in my current branch, right? So I have to commit those changes, right? But instead of doing the commit, suppose I have not yet done with my work, okay? So I still have few more things to be done there. So instead of committing the changes, I can stash them, right? I can stash them and then I can switch to the another branch and then I can work on that fix. And after that fix is done, I'll push that code and raise a pair for that one. Again, I'll come back to my feature branch and on that feature branch, I'll unstash it. So whatever the changes I have done, that will be coming there and then I can continue with my code. Okay, so let's see that in action. Okay, so let's say okay, so maybe I can say this is my login branch. Okay, in the login branch, let's say I have one more line I can add here. Let's say I did some code change. Let's say stashing demo. Okay, so let's say this is the first line that I have added and suppose I'm keep on doing something but there was a immediate requirement to go to the other branch. I think there is one more branch, right? Feature one. So I have to fix something in the feature branch. So I don't want to lose whatever the changes I have done here. Maybe this is for this demo I'm showing one line. Maybe I have given written some lines of code, some logic is there, right? So what I will do here, so I'm in the login branch. Okay, so I'm not committing nothing. So right click on the project, go to git and just say stash changes. Okay, so message you can give stash, so on which I'm working. Okay, so let's I'm working on the uh, feature 3 something, feature login, stash feature login. You give whatever the message you can give, right, as per your wish. So create stash, so stash got created and if you see whatever was the earlier commit, I have that code base, right? So that change whatever I had is gone now from my local. So I can move to the other branch, feature one. Let's say feature branch. So I went to the feature branch, I did my code changes and then I committed the changes and pushed it into the remote repository, even raised a PR there. Okay, and then I am coming back to my branch. Okay, so let's say login one branch. Again, I will go and check out, and after checking out logging one branch, I'll say right click on it and I'll say go to the git and let's say unstash changes. So when I click on unstash changes, it will show you whatever the stash you have already done, it will show you. Okay, so I'll say okay, this is the correct stash. Okay, so apply stash. So now if you see that line will successfully come here, or whatever the code changes we had, those will come here, right? So while we did the stashing, those changes were gone from the our local and we moved to the other branch and did whatever we wanted to do, raise the PR and everything, and then we came back to our original branch and then on that branch we unstashed it, and so that we saw all our changes coming there, and then we'll continue with our work. And then after our work is done here, again same, we will do a git commit, then we'll do a git push to the remote, and then we'll raise a PR from the login to the base branch master. So that is the concept of the stashing and on stashing, right? So instead of committing the changes, we can stash our changes, we can go to the other branch, do some work, come back to the original branch and unstash the changes and then continue working. Okay, so that's all into the stash. Okay, so If you guys are really liking these videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.